Coming up.
Alex?
Why am I here? And why is this here? So guys, we're gonna be doing some carbon vents here. It's going to be probably one of the most original fenders. Guys, this is Elevated Auto. It's where the home of the coolest cars come. Is that right? Steven, why am I here? And why is this here?
So, you're here because you got to pick these guys up.
Yeah.
And it's about time because there's not a storage facility. These have been here way too long. And this, we are doing a full PPF on it. It's undergoing a full restoration.
Wow. Holy smokes. Yeah, full restoration is right. Jeez Louise. So full PPF.
Full PPF.
What a project. Is this, now Steven, what's the body of this? Is it a turbo? Is it a Carrera 4S?
I actually don't know.
Okay.
This is how it came to us.
Interesting.
It's called Conda Green, and it's very similar to the Python Green that's available on the GT4 right now.
Wow, very nice. And so these fenders, take us on a journey here. Why did I even bring these to you?
I don't know.
I don't really know why. Yeah, I really don't know why, but
I think you should grab them because I'm sure the carbon fender project is about time, right?
It's about time, yeah.
About time.
So guys, we're gonna be doing some carbon vents here. It's going to be probably one of the most original fenders. I mean, there's Flossman, there's these ones that you stick on. I don't really like any of those. But what I do like is I do like to create new things, and I do have the right people to help me do that. So what we are gonna be doing is similar to the Ferrari 458 GT3 and the Lamborghini Huracan on the GT4 model for that. They have fender vents, and I don't know, Steven, what do you think? I think it's gonna look great, right?
I think it'll look pretty sweet.
Yeah, only 3 though, guys. Only 3, we don't want to be too much. And then the OEM fender little vent side marker is gonna stay. But Steven, I'm gonna get all this stuff packed up, but thanks again for being a storage facility. Guys, this is Elevated Auto. It's where the home of the coolest cars come. Is that right? So we are gonna see you guys next time. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon. Okay, maybe I'm gonna help Steven out. I feel kind of bad now. Hey, Steven.
All right.
Ay, Jesus, the courage. Well done, Steven, well done. It's like a Jenga. We got 3 fenders and a Macan. Honestly, like the Macan, it literally is perfect. Like it's kind of sporty, sleek, and you have the storage compartment where you can fit a whole bunch of stuff comfortably.
Nice.
I like it.